तो मैं कार्डी बी का इंटरव्यू देख रही थी एंड आई वाज सो मच इनटू दैट. उसके बाद मुझे ऐसा समझ आया कि ओके, like for real man, I watched her interviews and I realized a lot of things. I don't want to spell it out like what all things I just find good there, but let me tell about me, okay? Because this is kind of a messy channel where I post anything at all. So, my name is Aleph, and I have three YouTube channels. The first one is where I post my music. The second one is where I post about topics. Or us channel pe I also try to speak and polish my British accent because I love British. I don't know, I just want to speak perfect British someday, like in that accent. Yeah, because मुझे लगता है कि मैं I was I mean, so जब आप born होते हैं तो आपको कोई accent नहीं आता है. It's just you're born at certain place, so your parents were used to speak like this, and now they like आप वहाँ बड़े हुए, उन्होंने आपको बड़ा करा, and they raised you, and after that उन्होंने आपको जो सिखाया आपने वो accent सीखा. But वो कुछ भी हो सकता था. Like whenever anyone comes up to me and it's like, why do you want to learn that, it's so fake and stuff, I'd be like, no, nobody asked me, कि हम, like nobody asked me before teaching me any accent. So yeah, that's like that. So I don't think I really, and I don't really like to speak in Hindi for some reason. I love the language. I mean, I used to study it in my school and stuff, but I don't I don't like that. But I don't like that. Every time I'm like saying anything, I just try to reconnect it to. Okay, anyways, so the thing is that so yeah, that's the channel where I try to speak about topics. At the same point of time, I try to speak, I try to sound more British, but like, yeah, you might see me mess up on that channel in for the next few years, and then one day you'll be like, damn, she's speaking good. She's actually doing it. But you won't see that mess I made because by then, no, I won't delete those videos actually. I'll just keep that. I'll just keep everything to show it to me, and I won't be embarrassed because I'm like, okay, that is there because of who I am. Like, okay. Anyways, so the thing is that we always learn, and this is my third channel where I just like rant about things. This is more closer to me. I won't lie. Don't tell मेरे दूसरे चैनल को मत बताना, बट मैं कहाँ बोल रही हूँ, मेरे दूसरे चैनल्स को मत बताना, बट ऑनेस्टली ये वाला चैनल और ज़्यादा क्लोज टू माई हार्ट है क्योंकि मैं कुछ भी बोल देती हूँ. बट हाँ, वो भी प्रेशस है, बट ये भी है. ओके, सो या एक्चुअली हाँ, तो मुझे ये सारी बातें करनी थी इतने दिन से, एंड आई थिंक आई एम काइंड ऑफ इन अ डिप्रेस्ड जोन इन माई लाइफ राइट नाउ since my accident. Yes, I met an accident, and मैं उस पर कभी और वीडियो बनाऊंगी. I don't really want to talk about that. Yes, तो मैंने अभी अपने दूसरे चैनल पे जब वीडियो बनाई, so in that also I mentioned that, hey, I'll post a video of that if you want to know, just comment down below, and people did comment, and I haven't yet posted a video about that, which is my fault. But on this channel I don't really, मतलब मैं डाल सकती हूँ, बट मुझे उस बारे में बात नहीं करनी. वो हो गया है, it's done, it's like I'm healing. So yeah, but like actually मैंने पंखा बंद करा है और मेरे को पसीना आ रहा है because okay, I'm perspiring. This sounds better because मैंने पंखा बंद करा है. And yeah, okay, so the thing is, कई बार मुझे लगता था when I was like, yeah, it was true actually. When I was a teenager, तो क्या था, मैंने ऐसे Omegle और बहुत सारे apps I started using, and I started talking to people. बहुत एक वो होता है ना बचपन में कि अपने के बाहर, like अपने एरिया के बाहर वाले लोगों से बात करते हैं. Well, let's talk to white people, let's talk to black people, let's talk to Korean people, let's talk to Chinese people and all of that. तो मैं करती थी बहुत ज़्यादा. I've been using these apps for like when I was मैं स्कूल में थी 7th 8th grade, शायद उससे भी पहले, I don't remember, but like हाँ 7th 8th grade हाँ. तो I used to do like I used to use, and yeah, तो मैं use करती थी Omegle B and stuff, but when Omegle got banned and I'm using another app. So but the thing about this whole thing why I mentioned is that because of that I got this thing कि oh wow. तो पहले मेरा ऐसा रहता था कि oh Americans, I want to learn their accent, this is so cool. तो okay, so अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ मेरा basic accent like which I talk in my class and stuff, but yeah, तो मैं बोलती थी oh wow that's so cool, I want to talk in an American accent. But तो मैंने Americans से इतने लोगों से बात करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, मैंने गाने गाना स्टार्ट कर दिया. That's how I was so interested in English songs and stuff, because I was attracted to the sound of it, right? So उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि उसके बाद what happened was that कि I started speaking in American and I used to talk to people and they were like okay, but then मुझे ना वो अच्छा नहीं लगता था, मुझे बहुत ऐसा fake सा लगता था. मतलब I don't know, but मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि I'm trying hard to be that and stuff and I don't really want that bad. तो और उसके बाद क्या हुआ, when I entered college, तो हमारे कॉलेज में एक RP vowels and stuff they used to teach. There was an English teacher, मतलब जो हमें पढ़ा रहे थे ऐसे British, even though he was not sounding that British of it, but he मतलब उनको knowledge है how to speak, how to pronounce. But yeah, I'm not gonna judge that dude again like more further. But yeah, तो उसके बाद तो मेरा American पूरा ऐसा था, whoa, let's sing songs, Cheap Thrills, Baby Song and whatnot actually. तो मैं सब गाती थी, but मेरे को वो अच्छा नहीं लगता था, मतलब इतना. I was like okay, but when I started reading about British and I started listening to these people, मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. when I first like मेरा पहला interaction जो था ऐसे, I was like मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है. And then उसके बाद I felt कि okay मुझे समझना है क्या बोल रहे हैं, because British is sometimes for someone, मतलब कुछ लोग sometimes it's like for someone who have never like interacted or talked to people or have ever never heard about such things. Sorry मेरा phone थोड़ा हिल रहा है. Yeah, so उनको लगेगा कि ये क्या बोल रहा है, like Adele, sometimes people don't understand what she's talking about and stuff. जैसे Emma Watson and stuff, उनका मैंने interview देखा था, I was like damn, ये मुझे नहीं आता है, वो ये मुझे क्यों नहीं आता है, ये मुझे आना चाहिए. I was like okay, let's just sort this shit up. Do I want to speak or continue in this American accent, or do I want to go straight into British? It could have been like it might be very easy for me to just, I mean, it could have been very easy for me to just choose American, but then I was like, no, I like difficult stuff sometimes. So where I was like, ठीक है, मुझे British सीखना है. But it's not like कि सीखना है just to sound certain way. सीखना है because I like the expression through British. मुझे समझ नहीं आता, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है when I listen to someone speaking in that. So I was like, damn, I want to change that shit. And it just really helped me, you know. It's just like tough hota hai bolna because sometimes you're not able to pronounce stuff. But I was like, yeah, because मैंने बहुत interviews भी देखा, but like I'm still learning and I'm not really even, मैंने वो achieve भी नहीं करा जो मुझे अभी achieve करना है in this direction, what I'm talking about. So, but like yeah, I started this channel and I was a दूसरा channel, so I was like, I'll just try to communicate, try to use accents. तो मैंने start कर दिया, and then that's how I'm posting videos. Trust me, it's gonna be very embarrassing for me in a few months कि oh मैं क्या बोल रही थी, ये तो गलत है. But I want to see how I'm speaking in front of the camera in that accent, even though I'm just learning about it each day, a little bit of it about each day, and मुझे सीखना है. So I was like, okay, let's do it public. So publicly I'm messing around with it, and you guys can just go and see it. And अगर कोई British इंसान देखेगा तो कहेगा ये पागल हो गई है, but it's like cool, man. It's just, it gives me that fun, you know. I like that. And there's always been something with me and languages and accents. I love Arabic. I can read Arabic I can, yeah, but I cannot like speak and talk and have a conversation in Arabic. Like, that's a different thing. And I do want to learn that because I listen to Arabic songs and I don't understand the meaning, even though I can read the lyrics, but I cannot understand the meaning. So, मैं सोचती हूँ कि वो Arabic. So मैं वो भी सीखती रहती हूँ Duolingo पे, but I know Duolingo is not that much. It's nothing at all. So मैं YouTube पे देखती हूँ. But yeah, it's like I'm not in a routine with that, but I should be. I should be focused on that as well. Apart from that, my major thing is music. You guys know. So I was just watching this interview of Cardi B. I watched 2 interviews, 1.5 hours के 3 घंटे से मैं वही देख रही थी. See, it's not about the interview, it's about certain things you want to take away. And so आपको ना अपने पूरे करियर में कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो उस टाइम पे चाहिए होती है, एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम पे कुछ स्पेसिफिक चीज़ें चाहिए होती हैं, एंड वो आपको कोई नहीं देगा, आपको खुद फीड करनी पड़ेगी. यूट्यूब पे जाके यू नीड टू सर्च ऑल ऑफ दैट, यू नीड टू सर्च इट अप कि वो, या फिर आपके रील में कुछ ऐसा कोई इंसान आ गया जिसने कुछ ऐसा बोला, यू आर लाइक डैम, तो आप उसका जाके पूरा इंटरव्यू देखो, उसकी और स्पीचेस देखो, और ऐसे आपको और लोग मिलेंगे. सो दिस इज हाउ आई कीप अप विद माई सेल्फ एंड I feed myself all those words because because after this like incident that happened with me, I am so grateful. I was saved and stuff, but मेरे साथ ऐसा हो गया कि मैं बहुत negative भी सोचने लगी हूँ because the same incident happened with some other person in the same country, but they're in a worse place and I'm so sad for them, but it has given me a little PTSD and yes, so I don't know actually. I'm not even sure कि it's PTSD. It was just I was talking to some friends and they were like, bro, I think, yeah, you're just traumatized and stuff. So let's keep it apart. But yeah, and something's up with me, you know? It's like I feel I'm depressed because I'm not doing anything. I'm not what I'm actually am. Yes, this is not, ये वो account नहीं है, मैं इसको बार-बार mistake कर रही हूँ कि ये वो account है. See what? Okay. So yeah. So this मतलब जो मैं अभी कर रही हूँ, that's not me. That's not even 1% me. I don't do this, and I'm confessing this. I'm being lazy. But I know after this I'm not. मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है कि एक फेज चल रहा है. मेरे साथ शिफ्ट ऐसे नहीं आता कि कुछ महीनों बाद मेरे में शिफ्ट आता है. इट्स जस्ट अगर एक फेज चल रहा है वो चलेगा 1 महीने, बट अचानक से वन डे आई डिसाइड टू शिफ्ट इट एंड वन डे आई एम लाइक डैम. बट दिस डज नॉट मीन दिस इज हाउ आई वर्क. इट्स जस्ट सम ग्लिम्स ऑफ इट कि ओके समटाइम्स दिस हैपेंस, बट कभी कभी कुछ और भी हो जाता है. बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दिस हैपेंस, लाइक टुडे इट्स हैपनिंग एंड आई एम लाइक, मेरे में इतना ज़्यादा मोटिवेशन आ गया कि मैंने वीडियो स्टार्ट कर दी. लाइक इमेजिन. But that does not, I'm not giving you false hopes. I'm just figuring a few things out. I'm really grateful to be born in this gen when जब हमारे पास इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं. So we don't have any excuses, to be honest. If you have a phone, if you have Wi-Fi, you don't have excuses. You don't have excuses, to be honest. आज के टाइम में. And that's something I write on my wall. I've written so many things on my wall. एक last हफ्ते में मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ें लिखी हैं हर जगह. It's not even on the table, like everywhere I'm looking, because it's just to remind me of what I should be doing. Like अगर मैं phone scroll करने बैठ गई तो मेरी नज़र उधर जाएगी and I'll be like, shit, what am I doing? So yeah, it's like that. And apart from that, I have also felt that I am not gonna be lazy, because laziness is your end. Like laziness is gonna end me, so I just cannot do that to myself. मैं वो नहीं कर सकती. And yeah, and everything you can imagine is real. And also read a quote that 6 months of hard work can cover for 5 years of mess. Even though I haven't messed up, but like in the past few months, I guess I did a little, but वो cover up हो सकता है अभी भी. So, I'm starting this up. I'm expanding myself. I'm gonna be bold enough. I'm gonna be I'm gonna take the space. I'm gonna do जो भी मेरे दिमाग में आएगा. But the worst thing I can do is to just lay back and be lazy. It feels so weird अपने आप को रोकना उस चीज से जो आप एक्चुअल में हो by being laying back and scrolling your phone and then sleeping. Like sometimes you're just like you're scrolling and you have certain things planned to do and you know कि ये सही नहीं है, this is not gonna lead you anywhere, and you just go like छोड़ो यार, just let me sleep, and then you sleep and then you wake up and then you're like regret those little mini regrets, and it leaves you with nothing but shitty ass head and mindset that whoa. Then you see people accomplish certain things, but मुझे लगता है कभी-कभार comparison is a nice thing actually. I don't really believe in competition and comparison, but like on a statistics and an analytical basis, yeah, people do compare stuff to keep a record of it, कि who's the richest person and stuff like that. But मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि why is there so much competition. Competition is literally killing everybody, like everybody. At the end of the day, it should be you have to earn your own bread, but there's a competition for that as well. So हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते, but हम ये कर सकते हैं कि हम अपने आप को उन चीज़ों को फीड कर सकते हैं थ्रू द इंटरनेट जो हमें लगता है उस टाइम पे वी रिक्वायर. बट हम इतने लेजी हैं कि हम सर्च करके कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें दिमाग में डाल भी नहीं सकते. देन आई थिंक दैट्स नथिंग. टू इवन डू दिस टेक्स अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एफर्ट. आप उठे, आपने सर्च करा और आपने वो चीज़ सुनी, आपने इंस्टा पर कुछ देखा, आपने उसको यूट्यूब पर सर्च करा एंड देन आपने वो चीज़ सुनी. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो एफर्ट, एंड ये फर्स्ट स्टेप होता है आपका लेजीनेस से बाहर आने का. सो आई थिंक या I took the first step, and now I'm here, doing all right. Okay, ये 17 मिनट की वीडियो हो गई है. Now I'm gonna end this video, and I think you stay safe. Please don't book bike taxi, and especially don't book from Rapido. Rapido is the worst service provider. आपको लगता है आप उसके ऑटो से जाओगे तो आप सेफ हो, नहीं, आप सेफ नहीं हो. आप रैपिडो पे कुछ भी ले लो, आप सेफ नहीं हो, बिकॉज इफ एनीथिंग हैपेंस दे आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल. दे आर सो शिटी एज बिच. दे आर जस्ट नॉट लाइक. इन फ्यूचर अगर मैं कभी कुछ ब्रांड या एक छोटा सा प्रोडक्ट भी लॉन्च करूंगी, आई विल अश्योर यू आई विल बी अकाउंटेबल फॉर एनी रॉन्ग दैट हैपेंस टू यू. It will not happen though, but like if it happens. But Rapido is like earning from your fucking money, from your fucking pockets. All the Indian bitches use that. I use that. Yeah, I was a dumb bitch. But now I'm not dumb, now I'm smarter. So now I don't use Rapido. So stop using Rapido. Stop using bikes. Even if you're going on a bike, at least book a Uber bike, bro. Like, you can do that. आप Uber bike book कर दो. Uber is better, honestly. मैंने सुना है Uber, मतलब मैंने देखा भी है लोगों को compensation कर देता है, पैसे दे देता है, insure कर देता है, right? But Rapido, even after having the women safety feature, does not assure you your ride, be it an auto, be it anything. So book Uber, cancel Rapido, saying it loud, cancel Rapido. Sorry, I guess that was too much, but that was from the heart, from personal experience, trust me guys. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I don't want to extend this video that much. I love you all guys. Take care. Please take care. Take yourself seriously, man. Like, the important thing is that apne aap ko seriously lo. Maine nahi liya tha to you should do that. But it's okay. I love you all so much. Good night. I'm gonna go to sleep. I have college. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.